Here is Amazon.com. We are discussing about Amazon is an American international electronic commerce company. Its headquarters in Seattle, Washington, United States. It is the world's largest online retailer. Amazon.com started as online bookstore but soon diversified, selling DVDs, VHS, CDs, videos, and MP3. Download streaming, software, video games, electronics, apparel, furniture, food toys, and jewelry. The company also produces consumer electronics, notably the Amazon Kindle e-book reader and the Kindle Fire tablet computer, and is a major provider of cloud computing services. Jeff Bezos incorporated the company as Kandle in July 1994, and the site went online as Amazon.com. In 1995, the company was renamed after the Amazon River, one of the largest rivers in the world, which in turn was named after the Amazons, the legendary nation of female warriors in Greek mythology. Amazon has separate retail websites for the United States, United Kingdoms, France, Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, and Brazil, Japan, China, India, and Mexico, with international shipping to certain other countries for some of its products. In 2011, it had professed an intention to launch its websites in Poland, Netherlands, Sweden as well.